What's the meaning of boondoggle? Boondoggle. Boondoggle.
Boondoggle. Boondoggle. Boondoggle refers to a wasteful or unnecessary project, typically one that is funded by the government. Examples of boondoggles might include large-scale infrastructure projects that are expensive and not well-planned, or programs that provide little benefit to the public. The result of a boondoggle is usually a waste of time, money, and resources. These projects often do not achieve their intended goals and may even be harmful to the communities they were designed to serve. Boondoggles can also erode public trust in government institutions and the effectiveness of public policy. To avoid boondoggles, it is important to carefully consider the costs and benefits of proposed projects before investing significant resources.